Good day, all of you. Welcome to my channel. I am glad you guys are watching this video, and I would like you guys to like and subscribe and follow for more. I am here to teach you guys about the terrestrial planets in the solar system. The terrestrial planets are those planets that are made out of carbon dioxide and acids and thin atmosphere as well. These planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Mercury, the first and the closest planet to the Sun. This planet is made out of rocks, plains, mountains, valleys, hills, and sands. Mercury has no moon or ring, and it does not have any atmosphere or air. Life does not exist in Mercury because it's too hot to support life and has no water or air. And its atmosphere is thin because it can dry up at any seconds. The hot side of Mercury facing the Sun is about -400 degrees Celsius. As a result of this, Mercury is too hot to support any living thing at the daytime. The back side of Mercury facing away from the Sun is about -352 degrees Celsius and also too cold to support life, and it is about 5.9 million kilometers away from the Sun. It takes Mercury 58 days to complete one rotation and 88 days to complete one orbit around the Sun. Venus is the second planet in our solar system. Life as well as Mercury does not exist in Venus. Venus does not support life. It also doesn't have air or water. It is too dry to sustain life. Venus has a mixture of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. Venus also does not have any moon or rings. Venus consists of a dry desert which can easily dry up any living thing at any seconds. And there is no living thing that can survive in Venus even at least 1 minute. The Russian and American astronauts has discovered that unlike Earth, Venus receives the heat from the Sun twice, and it goes anti-clockwise. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Unlike other planets, it goes clockwise direction, but Venus goes anti-clockwise. On Earth, the Sun rises at the east and sets at the west, but on Venus, the Sun rises at the west and sets at the east. The surface temperature of Venus is about -475 degrees, which is about 887 Fahrenheit. As a result of this temperature, Venus is known as the hottest planet and the brightest object apart from the moon in the sky. It is about 108.84 million kilometers away from the Sun, and it takes Venus 225 days to complete one orbit around the Sun. Earth is the third planet in the solar system. This is the only living planet we live that can sustain life and water. There are 70% on water on Earth and 30% on ground on Earth. Planet has a lot of air and living things in it. The atmosphere of Earth are divided into 5. They are exosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, troposphere, and troposphere. This is the third planet that is close to the Sun, but it is about 150 million kilometers away from the Sun. Earth only has one moon, and it takes 28 days for the moon to complete one orbit around the Earth. It takes Earth 24 hours to complete one rotation, and 365 days or 366 days to complete one orbit around the Sun. Earth in diameter is about 12,556 kilometers round. Earth has only 3 characteristics. Earth are made up of the Earth's crust, the mantle, and the core. The core is about 2,500 kilometers thick, and it is rising about 4,000 degrees Celsius. Mars is the fourth planet in the solar system, also known as the red planet. The sand in Mars is red in color. When the sun hits on it, it becomes pink. Mars might have supported life 65 million years ago when it still has a watery surface. But this current time, there is no life on Mars, and the air is 100% tinier than that of Earth. Mars only has two moons, they are Deimos and Phobos. Mars also has a polar ice cap. Unlike Earth, the polar ice caps of Earth are filled with water, but Mars are filled with acids. It takes Mars 687 days to complete one orbit around the Sun, and it is about 6,792 kilometers round. It is about 247.82 million kilometers away from the Sun. This is the last planet in the terrestrial planets and also one of the rocky planets. And its surface temperature rises up to 29 degrees Celsius. Not too hot, but it can support life in it. Thank you all for all listening. Have a good day. Good day, all of you.